Hey everyone, how are you? Thank you for joining me for how to increase your profits in 30 days. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple, inexpensive, actually free ways that you can find money that you're leaving on the table in your business, in your salon, your spa, medi-spa, holistic business, your healing practice, holistic practitioner, acupuncture, any transformational expert business that you are showing up to, and maybe you're leaving money on the table and it's time to really revamp that. So I'm going to go over 3 simple things that I help a lot of my clients with on a daily basis when I go in to do a business audit and I start working with them. We find the #1 problem is that they have money leaks. So let's get started. If you don't know me already, my name is Maria Fontana and I am your favorite intuitive business consultant and growth strategist specializing in creating Zen and profits for business so you can have all of your income and your environment peaceful and profitable without all the chaos and stress. So let's go forward. So #1 is fix your money leaks. Now you're going to say to me, what the heck are money leaks, Maria? Money leaks are basically automated payments, programs, subscriptions, things you ordered on Amazon, things you ordered online, things that you're no longer using, memberships. You'd be surprised if you go in and see how many things you have on auto pay that you're not really getting any return on in your business. You will be shocked. I have clients that find hundreds to thousands of dollars a month that they're blowing away, especially a lot of salon owners. They may have like product orders on auto, on auto order, or things coming in that they don't need. They haven't checked really their inventory in a long time. I want you to really look, take a hard look, sit down and look at your bank statements. Sit down and look at everything that's coming out automated, things that you're ordering off your phone. Is it really adding value to your business? And are you getting a return on investment on these products? Or is it just money slipping away? I had a client the other day. She had a membership to a booking site that she really no longer used anymore. She had all this stuff going on. There was about $1,200 going out monthly on stuff that was not bringing her any return on investment. You might be surprised when you look at the things that you have in your business that you're not really using and they're not making you money. And right there, you're losing money. It's like money blowing out the window on a daily basis. So I want you to do a business audit. Check your money leaks. Take the time, take an hour to really sit down and go through your money leaks. Go through your automated withdrawals and see where you're losing money. We had another client. She was paying for like cleaning services in her holistic practice. And then she realized that she really didn't even need them coming once a week. She kind of downsized and did some things differently, and that saved her hundreds of dollars a month. So this is one way to increase your profits in 30 days is by plugging up the money leaks, especially now, guys, that we're automated and it's a time where everything's on your phone, everything's auto pay, Amazon, Siri, blah, blah, blah. You can get so wrapped up in losing money that you're not seeing $19.99, $10.99, $12.99. It all adds up at the end of the month. So I want you to sit down, take some serious time, dedicate an hour to really focusing on cleaning up your money leaks. #2, in increasing your profits in 30 days. I see so much of this going on. Now, a lot of the clients start working with me. One of their biggest issues is their social media platforms aren't congruent. So in the day and age we're in, guys, you have to have your social media platforms congruent. Now, I'm not telling you to be on every single social media platform. I personally, again, I'm not a marketing expert, I'm a business expert. I personally believe you should be focused on where your ideal audience lives, regardless if you're a salon owner, a spa owner, a holistic practitioner, if you're a service provider, transformational expert, consultant, any of these niches. You need to make sure you know, where is your client hanging out? Are they using Instagram? Is that where your client is? Are they on Facebook? Are they on YouTube? Are you listed in Google Business, and is your Google Business listing congruent with all your other social media platforms? So here's an example. One of my awesome clients locally, her clients live on Facebook. She does post on Instagram, and she has a Google business listing. That's all she does. When she makes her live videos or creates any kind of content for Facebook, I have her download the same video that she made of either, if someone's doing something in her business, if she's doing something, if she's giving a workshop, whatever it is that she wants to share with the world. We have her download that and then upload it to her other platforms and make sure everything's congruent. Her messaging's congruent, who she's talking to. You don't realize that if you are talking to everyone, you're talking to no one. And this goes for every business out there, guys. So making sure your social media platforms are all congruent, you're showing up consistently with your credibility, with your expertise online, that's what's going to set you apart. Because I can tell you, when someone either looks for you, your Facebook is your business card nowadays. I mean, people are just like, oh, let me look her up on Facebook. Boom, there you go. Your personal profile pops up. And if you need inspiration, you can look at mine. It's very user-friendly. It's very client-oriented. And you can really see that when you land there, in 10 seconds, you know what I do, who I serve, and what I'm all about. So it just makes it very clear. And I guide my clients how they can get me easily, how to book a call with me, get an appointment with me, whatever that may be. So those are super, super important. If you need any support on that, just send me a private message and I could guide you through all these things and make sure that you optimize all your social media platforms so you show up genuinely, authentically, and ready to book those clients and invite them in to spend time with you in any type of business this is, guys. So I'm speaking specifically to my transformational experts, my salon owners, my beauty professionals, my holistic practitioners. You guys need to make sure that you're showing up consistently and congruently on your social media platforms, okay? And other classes I'll target on how to really simplify that. And don't forget, I always say this, don't forget your free Google business listing. Super important. It is free. It targets everything. You can put tons of labels in there. You can post pictures. You can post videos. You can post your offers, your link, your website. It is one of the most underused applications out there right now. So check that out. I will put the link below. If you haven't already registered your business to Google Business, I highly recommend you do so. That will shift and bring you up to the search engine in your local area or however radius you decide to put yourself in, because you can choose how to list yourself, okay? So that's number 2. Number 3, a lot of people are forgetting about, how about your client base that you have? Now, so if you're in business already, you have a client base, you have past clients, you have a history. You may or may not have an email list, but I'm sure you have some form of contact how to get your old client. I'm a firm believer that what's happening is a lot of business owners are forgetting to monetize on their past clients. So I highly recommend in 30 days, you can inject more than $10,000 into your business in less than 30 days, quite frankly. You need to really reach out to your old clients. Do you have a referral system in place? So a referral system should be, if you have clients, present clients and old clients, even clients you haven't seen in a while, anyone who has a history with you, they know, like, and trust you. They've been either in your chair, in your salon, in your business. You have worked with them. You have helped them get massive transformation in their life in some realm. These people have a connection to you. You can send out, these are some great tips that I use that really help my clients inject and grow their business. You could do a call. Some people like to reach out and give everybody a call. Nowadays on Facebook, it's so easy. Connect with your clients on Messenger. Send them like a message and say, hey, I have a referral system. For every client you refer to me, this is what I give you. Here's an example. This is my referral system. So I have a referral system for my consulting business. My referral system for my consulting business, everyone that refers a new client to me and works with me in my premium program, I send you $300. Either I Venmo right over to you, I PayPal it to you. Once the client signs up and has paid for the service, I give you that referral fee back. Now, it's a great way to motivate people to support each other. You should be using the networks of people you already have in your hand, the people that know, like, and trust you to promote your business further. Now this works in the salon industry. You can have a $25 referral for every, whatever. You could, tag it to a monetary, maybe $25 for every blowout or for every hair color they refer to you, or for an energy service or a holistic service, whatever it is that your business specializes in, whatever your transformation is. And make sure you reach out. So reach out to your old clients via email. And I highly suggest, even if you're a brick and mortar business, that you start collecting emails. It's very easy to collect emails now with all the automated booking systems. It's really simple to collect it with Square, with Vigaro, any of the booking systems that you're using, your point of sale systems. Ask your clients for your email so that you can stay connected to them, or even text messaging now. It is really important to reach out to people that know, like, and trust you and ask them to refer you, or invite them in for a new service, something. Don't be complacent. People constantly need change. People constantly need support. So whatever it is that your magic is, whatever it is in your business that sets you apart from everyone else, make sure you keep inviting people in. In 30 days, if you implement these 3 simple strategies, I can assure you that you will see, between cutting back on our money leaks, inviting people in with a referral fee, your old client base, and by making sure you update your social media platforms. And back to the social media part, guys, I can't stress enough, you have to be consistent. So I'm not saying post every day. I'm not saying make videos every day, but I'm going to make an example. So let's just say you're creating a video today. You want to share with your ideal clients. And once again, maybe you specialize in one particular thing. That's your niche, your expertise, your zone of genius. That's the people you're talking to. So make sure your video, your messaging really grabs them and they're like, wow, I need to see this person. I need to work with them. They really get what I need. That's what clients want. Clients want a solution. They don't want a product or service. They want a solution to their problem. And this is what you are. You're the solution for them. So make sure you talk to them clearly and your message resonates how you're going to fix their problem. And on social media, be consistent. So if you're going to post once a week, then just do a post a week. Make sure it's consistent. Make sure your branding's consistent and you show up consistently as the person you are. Social media is your business card today. So be very mindful that you show up everywhere, because your online credibility is super important in the time and space we live in right now, guys. So I hope these 3 tips will help you. I would love to support you. I am having Zen and Profits. My online coaching program is going to be opening up October 16th. I'm only taking 10 people in this program at this time. They sell out really quick. If this is something that resonates with you, just comment below. I'll send you the information to your inbox privately. It's going to be a 6-week, it's 4 weeks, and then 2 bonus weeks of group coaching with me. We're going to be covering everything in my Zen and Profits program that I share with my high-level clients that I work with offline. So here's sending you massive love and light. If there's anything I could do to support you guys, if there's anything I could do, questions I can answer for you, just drop me a comment below. Share this video and welcome people into the group who could benefit from my teachings and who could use support. Sending you guys all massive love and light. Have an awesome day. Thank you for joining me today.